Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your MOVA Z60 Ultra not charging on the base station. First of all, make sure that the base station is plugged into power. You may also try a different power cord or a different power outlet to make sure that your base station will receive power. If your base station receives power, then you should see a diode lighting up, but it doesn't light up all the time. You can see in my case it's currently off, even though the station is plugged in. It will light up once the robot is inserted, but if the robot doesn't charge, then it won't light up. So I recommend just unplugging it and plugging it back in to see the light. So I've unplugged it right now, and I'm sorry for the camera. It should yeah, light up, but it didn't. Yeah, you may just want to unplug it for like 5 minutes and then plug it back in, and that should help. Now let's try putting the robot in the station, but before I do, let's clean its charging contacts. Charging contacts are found on the back, these two. You can clean them with a microfiber cloth, and when your station is plugged into power, unplug it from power, and then try cleaning the contact, the metal pins on the inside of the station, and now try sitting the robot in the station manually. Sitting it manually will help you like making sure it sits there nicely. So put it in and it should light up. It should light up green and turn itself on. If it didn't work, oh, you can see the diode even lights up now. If it didn't work, then try leaving it in the station. Make sure it sits there stably and it's in there equally on both sides, so that both sides, like the bumper sticks out on the very edge on both sides, so it's not rotated, tilted, or something like that. Now try leaving it for like half an hour. If it doesn't help, then remember that if your robot was exposed to very cold temperatures, it won't turn on for, it may not turn on for up to 12 hours. You shouldn't actually plug it into power. You should leave it for those 12 hours in room temperature, so it gets room temperature, and then when it gets to that temperature, you can plug it in and start working on it. And I think that should help. If not, then and you've done everything that I told you, then you may want to contact after sales service. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.